Alright guys, I'm going to do a video today on how to build a buffing station, and this will be a metal buffing station, not for guitars but for metal. I've been wanting to build one for a while to buff out aluminum parts, and I just haven't had the time to do it, you know, the old job thing, so I figured this would be the start of the video. So I have the parts, a bunch of parts already pre-ordered, so I'm going to rough the parts out, and then after the parts are roughed out, I'll go in and refine the design. So we'll go ahead and get started here. So the very first thing that I base this buffer around is I wanted it to be, we'll call it semi-portable. So I'm going to make a skid for it, and the very first thing we'll start with is the shaft that I based it around. So I bought a 48 inch or a 4 foot 1 inch diameter shaft. It's 1045 steel. So we'll go ahead and get started here. And let's see. I'm working on my 1080p screen because it'd be a mess if I put you guys on the 4K screen. I have some templates that have parts left on them, and I've always been too lazy to actually go in and fix them. So we'll delete that. And all my pop-ups pop up on my 4K because I normally use that. So what we'll do is, this is going to be 1045. Let's see, 1045 cold drawn steel. Okay. And I'm going to draw it on the right plane, and it has a keyway, so we'll start with the circle. And I'm not going to put the keyway in the sketch. I for certain reasons, in this case, I don't believe it would be good practice to put the keyway in the sketch, so I won't be doing that. We'll do mid plane at 48 inches, and we'll be done with that. And then we'll go ahead and put our keyway in. Right plane sketch. And we'll drop our keyway in here. Now it says the keyway is, let's see, if you guys don't know this trick, if you right click on the line and say select midpoint and then your origin, you can choose vertical and it'll center it. It says the keyway is 1/4 by 1/8, so I'm thinking that it's 1/4 this way. And I'm thinking that it's 1/8 this direction. 125, and I'm gonna have to verify that when I get it out of the box, but for now we'll set this tangent and make sure these are where they need to be, and then we'll cut extrude through both directions. And we're done. So this is our shaft. I'm sure it's chamfered on one end, so we'll roll that keyway back here real quick, and we'll chamfer it. Oh gosh, I bet you it's a 16th. Again, I'll just rough this out, and then actually, can I get a, what if I pick here? Does it do both? Huh. Okay. So, and then we'll put our cut extrude back in there, and we'll save this as what am I gonna do this as? Do I have a buffer in here? Nope. just name this shaft 1-inch shaft. 1-inch shaft. We'll do it military style. Shaft 1-inch. Alrighty. Now I also have I also bought collars, and I'm looking at my Amazon orders here. I bought collars and pillow block bearings. Do I have? I'm not gonna have drawings for those, am I? Alright guys, I'm gonna jump on McMaster car here real quick. I think what I'll do is drag this over so you guys can see what I'm doing. So we'll go to McMaster and we'll say pillow blocks. And I've just got the plain old ones. Shaft diameter 1-inch. Eccentric lock. Set screw. I think it's a set screw, so we'll check this one and see if it's got a drawing. Hey, I have a drawing. Hallelujah. The ones I bought are different looking, but it probably doesn't matter. Oh, man. Yeah, these are a set screw, but they stick out like that. Okay, let's check this one. Oh yeah, that's much more like it. So this is basically the same thing, so I'll just save this straight off of McMaster. How about we just use the number? Oh no, what we can say is no, just gonna use the McMaster number. It takes me a little bit to navigate around because I got so many projects. Let's see, so we got that done, and then the collar clamps. Let me see if I can get those off McMaster. Board solid steel. They got a set screw in the middle of them. So let's see. You know, what you want to do when you're designing stuff, obviously, is cut down on your design time. Collars. There we go. Shaft collars. They're one piece. Yep. They do not look like that. They are like... these, I believe. 1-inch. I think they're zinc plated steel ones. Yep, that's pretty much what they look like. Only they're a little cheaper. They're Chinese ones. Yeah. Yeah, we're just going to use the McMaster number. And then what I have to decide on, guys, is how I'm going to, what kind of pulleys I'm going to use. Let's see, pulley, P-U-L-E-Y. I don't know, like 4-groove. Something that's adjustable. Let's see. Step pulley. Okay, that's what we want. Step. Pulley. Alright, we got Amazon Choice here. It's $20. It's got 4 different sizes. What's it? What's the 5/8 bore? I need a 1-inch bore. 1-inch bore. Doesn't look like they have a step pulley with a 1-inch bore. Let's check McMaster. Boy, they go up to 3/4. I'm gonna have to drill it out.